Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own Discord server on Discord. Now the first step that you want to take is go to the search bar, open up Discord and sign into your existing account. Now from there we scroll through our Discord servers, as you can see right here, and what we want to do is we scroll all the way down till we find the add a server button. Now here you can have a couple of options. Here you can create my own, choose a template. Let's say you have a gaming channel you want to make, a study group or a school club, or it's just simply based for your friends. You can choose a server template. If we don't want that, we can create our own from scratch, and here select what you want, doesn't really matter, and from here we can give it a name. Let's say test1, add a photo, as you can see right here, create the server. Now the server will be created, and as you can see we have our text channels, our voice channels, and here we can add voice channels by pressing the plus. Here we can add the text channel by pressing the add right here. Now what we can do is we can personalize our server with an icon, send our first message and get some applications going, and we can start to invite our friends. Now it's easy as that. Here we have the link, and now you can start and play around with your own server. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, leave it in the comments down below. I would highly appreciate it if you would subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.